Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Rick O'Halloran here from Barry Plant Real Estate, City of Wyndham. Have a look at this fantastic property here behind me. Number 5, Bird Court, here in the illustrious Derrimut Heath Estate. We are on an enormous piece of land, ladies and gentlemen, 1,641 square meters. We are almost half an acre. This property, being a double brick residence, is huge in size, catering for all sized families. We've got upstairs bedrooms that are all oversized. We've got renovations throughout. We've got enormous, expansive living areas, a large kitchen, family meals area, one of the biggest laundries you'll ever see. Entertaining. We've got one on the east side. We've got one on the west side. We've got an oversized garage, approximately 7 by 9 meters. Higher clearance doors. Everything in this property is not only oversized, it is tremendously exclusive. Let's go on in for a look. I'm sure you'll love what we have to offer. Have a look at this incredible family area. We've got an array of natural light, updated light fittings and ceiling fan, and just a beautifully presented room. The east wing of this home gives you an all-weather entertaining area with magnificent views of this incredible backyard. Now, through to the renovated laundry with stone bench tops, an incredible amount of storage space, a separate toilet. Have a look at this magnificent entertaining area that is set up as the ultimate games room. Now, we all know in today's day and age how many people are working from home. You've got those that are in IT and require internet, of course, but you've also got in this room a private entrance that goes out to a pathway and onto the front yard. So if you're running a business where you have clientele coming here, this is the perfect setup. Now, we always know when we're dealing with incredible pieces of land like this one here at Bird Court that it always attracts the side access enthusiast. These double gates give you an unrestricted vehicle access of approximately 4.5 meters wide. Truly magnificent. Have a look at this backyard. Talk about having the opportunity to purchase your own piece of paradise. The swimming pool here is incredibly big, enormously large, ladies and gentlemen. The entertaining here is of a grand scale that is just beyond what you would usually find in our marketplace. This backyard features undercover all-weather entertaining areas, beautiful stenciled patterned paving, enormously large lawns, beautiful gardens, another oversized 4-car garage, powered, a shed. We've just got so much on offer out here. And all of this tucked away in a quiet court location. The extras just keep going and going and going, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it. I'm standing here at the end of the off-street 8-car driveway, which leads in to the oversized garage. That's all I have to say, ladies and gentlemen. The property really does speak for itself. My name is Rick O'Halloran, and I look forward to answering any questions or booking your private inspection at your convenience. Please feel free to give me a call on 0411 162 028. Bye now.